Prajwal Revana has been held guilty. This is the rape case verdict. He's been held guilty and the special court has delivered this verdict. That is the big breaking news coming in. Former Karnataka JDS MP Prajwal Revana has now been convicted of rape. Remember, this was a whole Pandora's box really that opened when the first when the first allegation was made, and then several other allegations against Prajwal Revana. Let's go across to Deepak for more. And Deepak, the quantum of punishment to be delivered tomorrow, take us through this entire very shocking case involving such a prominent political family of Karnataka.
Well, absolutely. Now, the Prajwal Revana files, of course, had really it had shook the entire political scenario here in Karnataka. And this is one of the cases. This pertains to a house help, a 48-year-old woman who had alleged that Prajwal Revana had raped her on multiple occasions. This was during the 2021 period. Later, while an FIR was registered, there were also charges that this woman was abducted by family members of Prajwal. There was a lot that was happening as far as this case is concerned. Now, he's charged on multiple cases. This is one of the cases. The Special Court for Elected Representatives, of course, delivering its verdict and pronouncing its verdict today and saying that Prajwal Revana is indeed guilty. The quantum of punishment, of course, will be delivered tomorrow is what I'm picking up. Prajwal Revana, while he was seated in court, got quite emotional as the judge was passing that verdict, even wiping a few tears there. He has remained in prison now, mind you, for about 14 months now. He's tried to get himself out on bail multiple occasions, but didn't really fare well for him. All rejections coming his way, and right now this will be yet another major setback, not just for Prajwal Revana, but also for the Revana family, because his father continues to be in politics. He's an MLA. They've had a major clout, especially in the Hassan region. After this, there was a lot of bad reputation really that was built for especially the Revana family in the JDS. Politically, this of course changes a lot of things now in Karnataka.
That's right. So Prajwal Revana there convicted, and the quantum of punishment to be announced tomorrow. As you said, Deepak, this was a shocking case at the time where the household help made these such serious allegations, and it seemed from the various other people who came and spoke up after that it was something that many there in that area, in their constituency, family bastion, knew about these going-ons that were taking place, and a whole lot of information then came out about the family and the kind of practices. This pertains to this particular case you're telling us of the 48-year-old household help who accused him of rape.
Yes, and after this woman came out and filed that FIR, it did encourage multiple others to come and do the same, and finally we saw a lot of showdown as far as his arrest is concerned. He was not even in the country. There was a lot of speculation whether he'll come back, and then finally making his way back to India, where he was picked up straight from the airport, taken to the police station. Investigations continued, and he was eventually, of course, arrested. This is one of the cases where he is now, of course, now been held guilty. There are other cases as well, so there could be more trouble coming his way. But at this point in time, for the Revana family, who've been maintaining that justice will prevail, the truth will emerge, and he will not be held guilty. This will be seen as a major setback. They have, of course, their own options legally. How will they really look at them is something that remains to be seen.